This is the 2022 range of motorhomes from Challenges, exactly the same as Chausson. The first person who writes down the number of this vehicle in the Chausson range will get their comment pinned. I think I know what it was, and it's if I remember rightly, it's got a number. It's not 3080, but it's a similar 4-figure number. This here is been approved by Bears, and this is 717 centimeters in length. Incidentally, the price on the Chausson will be exactly the same, or thereabouts, nearly 80,000 euros, and it's 232 centimeters. 232 centimeters wide. Right, but you know, the price doesn't really mean much unless you've got something to completely compare it to. And if you compare the price, then it's so difficult because the options are always difficult. Let's see if we can get some more lighting in here. Not doing too good on the lighting front so far. And the lights are on. Okay, brilliant. Here you can see, you can move the bed up and down. We'll try. I think it's going to be turned off. I know it's not. And I can understand. I've disconnected it. I don't blame them. People don't know what they're doing in there, and then things get broken. Anyway, here you've got a bit of storage, including somebody's bag. There is the shower. And toilet. There's me. There's a mirror. You got lots of space. If you want with the thing for the bed, it's down here, but it's not gonna work either. I'm so convinced. 2 burners, deep sink, as is the fashion in 2022. So if you can't make your mind up between Challenger and Chausson, I've got a very simple way of deciding. Depends what outer logo you prefer. Chausson tends to use blues, and the Challenger red. And that's about it. Alright, integrated van. Let's go and see something else. Don't like that one. I'll show you the garage. This will go up, as you may have noticed from inside, and so the garage could be bigger. Let's have a look at this one here. It says here bestseller 2060 graphite premium integrated motorhome, XL door. It costs 78,000 euros and is 697 centimeters in length. No, please don't clap. Don't clap. It's I haven't finished yet. And what's curious about this layout at the back, with a washroom at the back. So you want a big washroom, you could go for something like this. It's got a really, really nice storage area. That is pretty good. Alright, so if you're living in a van, you might move this one up the way. I should have just opened this one, shouldn't I? There you go. You've got stacks of space here to carry clothes and other things. And the problem is, of course, as you look down the view, you mightn't like a bed up there. You can get into the garage through here. Got some cushions there from some of the van. A toilet. You got stacks of space in here. Look. Oh, you can live in the washroom in this thing. It's a dressing room. It's a genuine dressing room because here you've got your clothing. I don't like this the sink rim though coming up like that. I'm a person like it flush. That's just my way of thinking. So that's the good points. Now you might think, well, I'm only using the bed at night. I can have an electric bed. I can't show you it's coming down because it's here and it's been disconnected. And the 12 volt is on. There's the 230 volt. And there are USBs. USBs in most cases, I think in motorhomes, you can put some in yourself. They're not that difficult to actually do. And alternatively, get an electrician or somebody to do it for you. In fact, couldn't think of it, get an electrician to do it anyway. If you do it yourself, if I did it myself, I'd probably end up with a fire. Pretty good, eh? Nice. There's the bed up there. You got all this space down here. Come to the back of the front, I should say. Ooh, and oh, look down there. Well, this looks nice. The lighting's great. Thing is, it's the bed up there. For me, that would not be suitable. I am concerned about what happens if the motor goes. It's like the electric windows in the car. They would go constantly. That was in the 90s, of course. I haven't had a problem since then. Let's hope it doesn't break down on the way back home now. But with these beds, you know, it's going up and down every day, once at least, and you know, I don't know how good they are long term. So anyway, that's just mine. I mean, I might have absolutely no cause for fear whatsoever. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to see if I can find somebody who's a technician with electric beds. I fear I might have left this too late. Oh, I think that's a really good view though. I like looking down the van like this with all this wonderful lighting. I think that looks really good, particularly in a van of this nature, which isn't a particularly expensive van as well. And it's a brand which personally I wouldn't want. I don't particularly like the way Challenger and Chausson vans look. And I have certain qualms about the quality inside. Certain qualms, put it that way. It's not, that could be just me. I mean, it might be any good cause. But that, I think, looks great. Anyway, of the two vans, I definitely prefer this one here. Did I show you the fridge? I can't remember. I don't think I did. And so it's fully integrated. We'll have a little walk around, not a long one, just to show one or two others. Semi-integrated vans down here. They're exactly the same as in Chausson, as I have said. And they come in three sizes, which is 687 meters and 720 approximately. So it gives you an idea of what you can find. So I shall now take you around or back to the place I started off from, which is the integrated van. There you have seen the Challenger, or part of the Challenger stand, just part of one of many stands that we've got here at Düsseldorf. There you go. There is the Challenger 3080 graphite premium motorhome for 2022. I keep forgetting the year. Thanks for watching.